Now, meteorologist Lauren Brand is here joining me at the pop-up here in the studio because we're always trying to predict first snow, last snow, wild Colorado weather patterns. And we want to talk now about the last snow, when we think we'll see it here in southern Colorado.
Yeah, so I mean, personally, I think that we are expecting more of a dry spring. Now, I know that's some good news to people, but I mean, I know that in the past we've had a little bit of a wager going. So who won last time?
Yeah, so last time we did it for the first snow, and I believe it was Alex O'Brien won. It was when Mike Daniels and Sam was here. Yeah, she's always on it. And I think we're joking now about doing it for the last snowfall,
yeah,
right?
I think that would be so fun because, I mean, they're just going to be getting me a Starbucks gift card, it sounds like.
That's what we'll do.
That's what we'll do. So I went out and asked some of our viewers what they think our last snowfall and when they were going to see that, when they think that's going to be.
I'm going to say the last snowfall I'm going to predict will be mid to late April.
I live up in Woodland Park, so mine's probably going to be more like April. But I would think late March down here.
Last snowfall, so I mean, I think that we are again going to be seeing more of a dry spring, but I guess we'll see. So you can also comment on any of our socials on when you think that we are going to see our last snowfall.